How to find out NSF to MBOX Exporter and launch the software. First of all, type NSF to MBOX Exporter Betavare in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Click on the Run button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch NSF to MBOX Exporter and click on the Finish button. How to export NSF to MBOX file with this software. First, you need to install NSF to MBOX Exporter on your computer and open it. Then click on the Browse button for the Select NSF file. There is a preview of your NSF file and click on the Export button. There are many formats for export. Click MBOX file format. Click on the Browse button to select your output file location. Finally, click on the Convert Now button to start the process. How to uninstall the NSF to MBOX Exporter software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the Export NSF to MBOX file.